Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Saldru ERSA December workshop. We're just going to have a few introductory remarks and then we will get going. I'm Josh Budlender. This is Ihsan Basir. We're both associated with Saldru. We're going to hear a little bit from Fushir just now from ERSA. Thank you all so much for making it here. We really appreciate it. It's really wonderful. We've got people from all over South Africa and people from the continent and people from outside of Africa. So it's wonderful to have you all here, and thank you so much for making it. The idea of this workshop is that it's a kind of longer form seminars, kind of presentations of high quality. The idea really is that we want to provide a venue where local researchers get access to people from international universities presenting top quality work, and then there's also a platform for local people to present top quality work to each other and to get some feedback from really top international people. We ended up this year, so we did a version of this last year, a very small version, which some of you will know, but it was kind of organized at the last minute. It's very different this year because we're very grateful for the support of ERSA, who are co-hosting it with us, Economic Research South Africa, and in large part, I think, due to them, and also a bit from last year, we got over 200 submissions for this workshop, where we have really 12 main papers. So we're very excited to see what we have. We really were selecting papers on the basis of kind of high quality work which might be published in top journals. Of course, we also wanted questions that were relevant for Africa, relevant for South Africa, relevant for developing countries. We had a scientific committee, which I just want to thank, which was Ihsan and myself, and then also Taryn Dinkelman from Notre Dame, Stephen Koch from University of Pretoria, and Susan Godlinson from Williams College. So we want to thank them for helping us get through 200 submissions. Right, and the other idea is not just about kind of the research engagement, though that obviously is the main part. It's also a platform for people to connect local and international researchers in South Africa. And we're very happy that we've got people from across 13 universities in South Africa, and that includes every university where somebody applied, they have a representative here. Even if they didn't make it into our very selective program, ERSA did fund people to come and attend to make sure we had broad kind of buy-in from across the country. So we're very grateful for that, and we're very pleased about that. And we also have 8 people on the program from international universities. So a really nice mix, we think. As we said, we hope for this to be an annual workshop. That's the idea. So thank you very much for being here. I'm just going to hand over to Ihsan now.
And so we think the program is hopefully going to be very exciting. Just there were a couple of last-minute changes, which we did email out. One of the changes we just wanted to highlight was someone who couldn't make it because a family member was unfortunately kind of involved in the disturbances around the Tanzanian general election afterwards. And so it's kind of a sobering moment, I think, for us and for the workshop itself, hopefully to kind of send a signal to us that this workshop is trying to kind of ground ourselves in what's happening on the continent, that from ourselves and of course those around us are sort of very much affected, and hopefully the work we do here does have kind of direct impact, and we are trying to bold and do something that's useful for the continent and the global south more generally. So just a couple of housekeeping things. The Wi-Fi codes, I know a lot of you have got them. Of course, if you don't have EduRoam, just a note to please keep the Wi-Fi codes for tomorrow, because otherwise we will run out very quickly. Bathrooms, they are on this level, and if it's full, then the other levels. And then coffee, lunch, all the breaks will be on the 3rd floor in the auditorium, where you must have come in, or most of you must have come in and kind of had coffee and so on. Again, huge thanks to ERSA, and I think Claudine has disappeared. Well, a huge thanks to Claudine. She's really done the vast majority of the logistical. Oh, there we go. Thank you so much, Claudine. She's really been the person who's put everything together. And also to Fushir from ERSA. If Fushir, you want to say a couple of words of welcome.
Thank you so much, and thank you, Ihsan and Josh. So from ERSA's side, I really also just want to welcome everyone. Those of you that know the history of ERSA will know that we have oscillated between the idea of being very policy heavy to being very academic heavy and back again. I think where we are now is we understand the academic research to be the basis of good policy work. So we have really shifted our focus towards academia to understand it as the main conduit of good research that eventually makes good economic policy. This is, of course, also a development conference. We see the development space very much part as the human capital space and its relation to economic productivity overall. Something that we are very passionate about as an organization too. So we are, when Soldru came to us with this idea, Josh and Ihsan specifically, we jumped on it. We've supported it fully. It is definitely the biggest conference of the year for us, just in terms of the number of people that have attended, which also shows the passion for the specific area, which we're really grateful for. So thank you again. Welcome to everyone, especially those from overseas and from other universities. We are very grateful for you to join us in South Africa and also to mingle and network with our local researchers. We truly hope and believe that we will have strong networks that lead to collaboration in the future. So please do not hesitate to invite any of our local researchers to your universities. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Mr. Chair.